Okay, hey, YouTube, I'm gonna do, Foushee. Deep end. That's how I would play it. This is like, if you're gonna play it, solo, like on your guitar. I wouldn't play it like it's played in the song. In the song, they're playing E minor, A minor, B7 in the open position. But that's really just buried in the mix. Okay, that's just for the intro. Then the keyboards take over and it's all jazz chords. So here's the chords: E minor, A minor, and then a B7. All in the open position. But if you're just playing this and singing it on the guitar, that's probably not going to sound so great because they have a bass, they have drums, they have keyboards playing more advanced chords. So I would go with this. This is a E minor 7 on the 7th fret, A string root. It's just like a E minor bar chord, but you remove your pinky. And then for the A minor, we're going to go A minor 7. And then for the B, we're going to go B minor 7. Yeah, B minor 7. So. Slide these chords. Alright, that's how I'd play it if I was just singing it and playing it myself on the guitar, because that sounds more R&B, those chords. Okay, if you just play this open, you could play a Bob Dylan song with these chords. If you don't have the band behind you, it's not going to sound right. So, play these jazz chords. Alright, if you want to just play partials, maybe that's a little too hard for you, what you can do is play a D shape at the 7. That's going to be your E minor substitute. Then go to the 5th, go to your 5th string, or 5th fret, I mean, and just play the top 3 strings. That's going to be your A minor 7, and then you just slide it up to the 7th fret, and you got your B minor 7. Can get your pinky here on the D string at the 9th fret. That'll make your D chord sound better. But if you just want to play simple chords, you can play. Alright, it's going to sound better than playing this. Forget it. That's it. Lesson's over. Thanks for watching. Bye.